Discover IKEA's newest arrivals, thoughtfully designed for everyday living. Whether you're refreshing your home or just love staying ahead of the curve, this curated list of new IKEA products brings you smart solutions, playful designs, and timeless pieces. From space-saving storage to cozy textiles and bold decorative accents, each item combines form and function with that signature Scandinavian touch. Let's explore what's new and noteworthy. 1. ELSYSTEM rug, low pile, multicolor, colorful, quirky, and surprisingly soft. This recycled polyester rug livens up any space with its playful patchwork design, perfect for kids' rooms, reading corners, or any place that needs an injection of fun and color. 2. PÄRLHÄGG Vase, yellow-beige. This sculptural vase brings elegance to any surface with its rounded curves and warm, glossy finish. Whether it's holding a bouquet or standing solo, it's a perfect statement piece for shelves or dining tables. 3. RÅDMANSÖ 6-drawer dresser. Brown walnut effect mid-century style meets modern function. With deep drawers, brass-look knobs, and a rich walnut finish, this piece brings charm and practicality to your bedroom or hallway. 4. RÅDMANSÖ nightstand, brown walnut effect compact, stylish and smart. This nightstand offers a hidden drawer, open shelf, and a clean look with brass tone accents. Cable management helps you keep things tidy and tech-friendly. 5. TILLAGD 3-piece serving utensil set. Brass color. Give your dinner parties a golden touch with these brass-colored serving tools. Sleek and festive, they elevate any meal from weekday to wow. 6. TALLTITA tea light holder, set of 2, pink, brown. These double-duty tea light holders can be stacked or separated for a fun mix of color and light. Bonus, they work great for storing small trinkets too. 7. GRIMSARBO side table, pine plywood, black, a clever little side table with storage under the removable top. Ideal for stashing books, remotes, or glasses, and light enough to move around easily. 8. SKOGSSALLAT toiletry bag. Blue-white dotted, stay organized on the go with this cheerful dotted toiletry bag. 4 compartments and a hang loop keep your essentials tidy, even in tight spaces. 9. Fjäderharv Desk Organizer. White tidy up your workspace with this 4-compartment organizer. It's clean, minimal, and fits pens, brushes, or office tools without hogging desk space. 10. Fjäderharv Mini Chest with 2 drawers, anthracite stackable and sleek. This compact drawer chest keeps notebooks, papers, or photos in order. Great for desktops or inside shelving units like Billy. 11. Folkbot Floor Lamp with 2-spot, black. This dual-spot lamp gives you control of light exactly where you need it. Use it for reading, ambient light, or both. Each lamp head is adjustable and separately controlled. 12. Ocker Vindafly Chair Pad, beige. Sit longer in comfort with this supportive memory foam cushion. It stays in place thanks to a non-slip back, and the washable cover keeps it looking fresh. 13. Store Mala 5-drawer chest, gray-brown stained, built from solid pine, and full of thoughtful details like soft close drawers and cast-iron knobs. This tall dresser offers beauty, storage, and a sense of safety with its tip-over reduction system. 14. Lundskafting duvet cover and pillowcase EAs. White, black, brown sleep under a wild garden with this bold botanical print in crisp cotton and lyocell blend. Breathable, moisture-wicking, and soft, this bedding feels as good as it looks. Wrap up your refresh with something truly new. From standout decor to clever storage and soft finishes, these new IKEA products are made to elevate the everyday. Whether you're rethinking a single room or the whole home, these pieces are ready to inspire your next chapter. With a little extra comfort, color, and character,